didn't pay much attention.
Hey, Cheeks. Doesn't get a little tubby.
You hiding some nuts in their cheeks? Not yours.
Paul, that was a weird thing to say. So Kyler's got basically everything ready to go, but the fans are not coming on. So we were trying to diagnose what is going on with that. Done a little bit. Him and his dad and the amigos. So who's helping you?
No, my future brother.
Oh, his future brother-in-law was helping him earlier today. So me and Justin came up here, tried to get this thing on the road. I'm going to try to get it running through the factory harness. If we can't, then we're just going to do a little bypass for now until we can dive deeper into it, because we just want to get this thing driving, get it on the road.
Trying to drive it.
Yeah. So, let's see what we find out. So, Mr. Colton and Kyler did some
I supervised. I didn't.
Fantastic wiring here. Very proud of them. But we're not sure which fan is which. I'm pretty sure this one is for the actual coolant fan. And then that one over there might have been the AC. But we're just going to have to switch some fans around and figure it out. But the issue here is we're not getting the trigger to one of these relays. This guy right here is ECT. Should be our engine coolant temp. He's already replaced the sensor. Yeah, I think he had one out too and got it hot and nothing was clicking the relays over. So I'm going to now ring this guy out, find it on the main plug, make sure that connection's good, and do the same over here. And just kind of work our way back to these relay plugs, wherever they are. Work our way back here. So Walker Sod Farm money right there. Oh, those valves are bad.
Huh?
Those valves are bad.
Oh, valves is just.
Oh man, Kyler is a goober. Oh, I hope these fans kick on. I don't know what's going on with the blinker system. If we put the hazards on, blinker, whatever, it's like making a buzzing noise from the buzzer that does like when your seatbelt's not on. So yeah, I don't know what that's all about, but we'll get it figured out. Hopefully the fans will kick on. What's your temp looking like?
I got to check them engine light. Temp's good.
5, 6, 7, 17. Vehicle speed sensor defective.
Oh.
Alright, so our fans are on.
So it's like back down to half right now.
Alright. Fans are still on. I'll let you know when they cut off. They're off.
It's holding like right below half.
I guess. It's definitely not like most of my Civics, but if it's not overheating and the fans are circulating, that means it's working.
Yeah.
Alright, so rad fans kicked on. The temperature that's on the gauge cluster is not where any of my EF Civics sit. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but the system is working as fans cutting on, fans cutting off, getting to a temperature that it's supposed to get to per the, I guess, engine coolant temperature sensor. So now we're gonna put the headlights on, and so you can actually go drive it. So. What's up, cheeks?
Hello. You like my ass?
Nope.
Jared just wakes up and he just starts hauling loads of dirt with that dump truck.
Nice little eBay intake. Uh-oh.
And my eBay exhaust.
There we go.
Can't forget the eBay exhaust. That after heavy modifications is working flawlessly now.
Let's ride.
I almost like the Milwaukee a lot more.
Yeah, that's pretty great.
Fifth gear cruising. Speedo don't know. We don't know how fast we're going, but see, I think I got a phone. So fifth gear, 3,000 RPM, we're 60 mile an hour. Jesus Christ. We're screaming. Note to self, this is not an interstate car. Middle.
Something's smoking.
Transmission's leaking.
That's what it is. Where's it leaking
I
from?
don't know, but it's leaking. Off the hood.
Ooh, smoky.
Yes, just pull it in there for now. Yeah, we'll check it.
Keep close the hood.
Not all the way.
Why?
Pull it on in.
Close the hood all the way.
No,
Why are you...
pull it in.
At least spit tires?
He's nervous. He said, not my first Honda.
Do what?
He said, not my first Honda.
Exactly what it's finished. There you go, they're like, motherfucker, what is
They're probably like these sons of bitches with
that? All the way. You want me to drop it on the lock?
Oh, this shit's wet. It's on the lock.
Is it oil or?
Well, it's tranny fluid. It's hydraulic fluid, like you can smell it. You can smell it. It's like coming out where this shifter linkage is, isn't it? Or is it coming out of the damn? I don't even know, dude. It's everywhere. Holy shit.
You know what that is?
It's coming.
What?
That's rust prevention.
Yeah.
No, so it starts here.
Oh, it's dripping all the way from... I think it's coming from right here.
Is it?
Right here. Yeah. Oh,
It looks like it's coming out of the shaft.
That's what she said.
Well, I think there is a seal there.
Yeah.
So we
Right.
did that-
It's
we did that
at
right.
least it's transmission fluid, not.
Oh, it's setting where it's supposed to. The temp.
Yeah, it did great.
It never went past hot.
No, it didn't when I drove it either.
You were
beating the shit out of that thing. Like you rubbed the out of it.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
Did you not hear it limiter?
Oh, but I'm talking when you were running it down the road.
Oh yeah, I let it.
I know. I stopped. I was short shifting like $4,000.
Nah, if I'm gonna drive it, I'm gonna see if it's working.
Put pressure on it.
You hit the limiter so fucking hard out there.
Oh no, that wasn't limiter.
What?
That's just. Oh, out there, yeah, it definitely hit limiter out there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It was like. And I'm like, this thing.
Don't worry, Jared will fix it for you.
I say we clean up real quick. Clean everything. You want to see how you can tell Kyler worked on this? Look at that. Look at that bolt.
What do you mean?
You see it's all goobered up.
Dude, that thing did not want to come out, okay? It was rusted in.
Alright, let's see where the fish leaking from so me and Dustin go home.
Okay. Be serious, go wink. Pow! Come on with it. I'm glad I'm the one up here. Here we go.
First gear. I don't see shit. The only thing I can... Where's your brake lever?
Ooh.
Sorry, I left it in gear when I shut it off. We do have one light.
Round two.
Round two. Stupid seatbelt light.
Yeah, I know, you could have took that off.
That do me a motherfucking Jared Stacy pull up in this bitch. Just glued to the road, my dude. Just fucking glued, brother. Some bitch is like a vacuum, just sucked to the road. Just shit get and go. Alright, you ready for this handbrake entry into the road?
Sure.
If only the handbrake worked. And if only it would have worked
Shit
like
flips.
that. Do. Well, it gets up out of the hole, but God bless it, just feels like you're just really not going anywhere once it gets up.
Yeah, that's all Hondas, to be honest.
All Hondas.
Yeah.
Oh.
Leaking oil?
What it tastes like.
It's right there. Literally right in there.
What?
Right there. It's dripping, you see
Yeah,
it?
so you see the pan's leaking right here.
Oh, the engine, yeah.
But that's definitely your seal. I think it's your seal.
Yeah.
I think it's your seal and it's flinging up and hitting that, so it's not the pan.
Yeah. On another episode of Kyler's Honda. We're closer than we were before. That's all that matters.
It's almost road ready.
It's close.
You can drive now, it just might catch on fire.
Yeah. Just carry a fire extinguisher.
Oh, I'm gonna put one in there anyways. That's a wrap. Here's the end of your video. Jared, you go ahead and give your intro.
I don't know if it's the end of the video, but
I mean, an outro.
definitely not ideally what we wanted to happen.
I mean, you fixed electrical.
Yeah, I mean, I came here and fixed
Yeah,
what
we got fans now. So.
I don't even know if I fixed it. It might have been working. It might have been working. Kyler just really he's a worry wart. We'll just call it what it is.
Kyler just wanted to see you.
I just didn't want to rebuild this engine again.
Kyler's a worry wart. Justin's a worry wart. Sometimes you just gotta fucking send it. So, all right. So we got a leak from I think the mid shaft, the intermediate shaft that goes into the transmission that bolts onto the back of the block. Gotta try to get a seal for that and put it back in and see if everything works after that. I'm pretty sure it still smokes from something else, but it's kind of hard to tell when you have oil sitting on the exhaust burning as well. But we'll be back.